Hello, right, I'm Biohacking Joe Bains, and I want to, so I've just finished the 21, I will have finished the 21-day Deepak Chopra Abundance Challenge after I finish this video. Oh my god. So, the challenge started really well. It was going really well until I got to day 19. Then I started to derail myself. So I've literally spent almost a week procrastinating on doing this video. I've been going over my exercises. I've been doing some of the exercises twice. I've been doing all kinds. Basically, I've been trying to not finish this challenge. Thank you very much, Dushi, for keep pinging me. I know there's a message waiting for me from you saying how are you getting on. I haven't read it yet. I mean, I know it's there. So I will read it and I will respond to you. Wow. So yeah, so I've the 21-day challenge has been amazing. I want to do it again. But I've also signed up for the relationship one, the Deepak Chopra relationship one. But wow, the resistance inside of me to abandon this challenge, to not finish the 21 days, to not successfully finish it, to half finish it, to not, it's been huge. Like everything in my head has been trying to stop me from creating this video, has been trying to stop me, because I'm like going, oh, but have I got all the information I need to create the video? Isn't there something else? I keep getting distracted, I keep forgetting. Oh, do I need to do this? What about this? I need to do that. So I've been sitting here. What is it now? It's it was the same yesterday. It's 11:39 in the morning. I've been sitting here for like 3 hours, literally 3 hours, trying to, I've had like 4 cups of coffee or something, or tea, sorry, 4 cups of tea. And I've been doing everything apart from this video. So I've been doing my weights, I've been doing my press-ups, I've been checking my Facebook, I've been checking the events I'm creating, I've been doing everything apart from this video. So I'm now finally creating it. It's not going to be perfect, and I've told myself it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm only doing one take. I'm only doing one. So this is only one take. So yeah, so I've loved the challenge. It's so at the moment I'm going through a divorce, and basically I don't want to deal with it, so I've just literally parked it to one side and tried to forget about it. So for the last, I'd say 1 to 2 years, I've been in a sort of a limbo. I've not managed to finish anything. I've started loads of things, but I've not managed to finish any single one. Something in me is holding me back. I feel like, you know those crabs? You know, if you put a couple of crabs in the bucket, as soon as one tries to climb out, the other one pulls it back. I feel like those crabs in that bucket. But all those crabs in that bucket, they're all me. So every time I try to climb out, I pull myself back. Every time I climb out, I pull myself back. So that's basically, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So this, and I've been on this other challenge as well, a 30-day challenge, Russell Brunson's OFA. And again, I self-sabotaged that as well. I didn't finish it. So basically what I've done is I've re-signed up for that one again. It's a brilliant challenge, but again, yeah. Anyway, so what do I... So I'm a stand-up comedian, so I went and performed last night, that was really good. And I'm going to Edinburgh, so I'm trying to get everything done so that when I go to Edinburgh I have a lot of spare time, because it's gonna be great. Edinburgh Festival is the best thing in the world. So I'm going to that. I've got some shows booked, everything, it'll be all good, but I just don't want any distractions when I'm there. So, and the other thing I'm a health coach. I am a biohacking health coach, which is the art and science of peak performance and peak health. So I've been building my muscles. So this used to be a straight line, by the way, and this is all done while fasting and not eating much food. So really good. So yeah, it blows people's minds. Yeah, so I'm a health coach. I'm also a confidence coach. I'd also teach juggling. Who knew, right? And I love traveling. And at the moment, so at the moment I'm trying to pull myself out of myself, literally, because I've literally spent the last 1 to 2 years self-sabotaging myself. You know, literally one after the other, one after the other, and I just keep throwing one after the other on top. I'm like, okay, all right, self-sabotaged myself on that one. Let's do another one. Let's do it again. And then I self-sabotage on that one. Let's do it again. Self-sabotage, and let's do it again. So I'm just keep doing that. And I'm like, okay, I've basically given up. I'm like, all right, let's see how long I can keep self-sabotaging myself. And I just keep doing it. But I'm getting to the point, I got to the point a while back where I was like, I can't fire myself. I can't shoot myself, right? I can't, there's nothing. So the other day I injured my toe, yeah. So there was a bit of a wound there. So so I put some vinegar on it to let me feel some pain for self-sabotaging myself over and over again. So so I don't want to do that again. So the 21 change, this too will pass has been really good. I've read that out to several people. Again, I was procrastinating on that as well, thinking, oh no, I could read it to this person, I could read it to that person, but all that would have just delayed me finishing this. So I've read it to 2 people already, so that's good. I live in central London, by the way, so if anybody else is around central London, great. Whole Foods, Piccadilly Circus is awesome. I love the exercise around day 16, being grateful and also forgiveness. So most of it's just been forgiving myself for being an idiot, for not doing what I need to do, for not manning up and shit like that. So so most of it, so that's the big one for me, was the forgiveness of myself. But yeah, the exercise has been really good. It's been really well thought out, and I was quite surprised that I was able to think up the names of all the people I know who have achieved. It's actually quite a lot. Originally I was struggling with it, but once I got into the flow of it, I could think of like one after another. So really good. So thank you very much. I am now signed up to the Abundance Challenge. And I'm re-signing up for the Russell Brunson one-click funnel. So if anybody needs any help with health, I'm my diabetes. I'm diabetic type 2. It's in remission. If diabetes type 2, by the way, if you got it, it's really easy to deal with. Really easy. It's like one of the easiest things to deal with. You can just get rid of it. It's quite easy. You could probably get rid of it within 3 months. I just been self-sabotaging myself, so I haven't been able to get rid of it, because I keep, as soon as I'm about to get rid of it, I self-sabotage myself so it doesn't go away. Awesome, right? Awesome. This is how it's done. But once I overcome this, then I think I will be a better coach, because because I can see other people also self-sabotaging themselves, so it's a good skill to have. So it's another superpower I have, that I can see and help people who self-sabotage. So if you self-sabotage your own successes and own goals for health or performance or whatever, I can help. There we go. Right, so I'm Biohacking Joe Bains. I'm also Joe Bains Comedy. If just Google it, I'm everywhere. Brilliant. All right, thank you, Dushi. Thank you very much. And this is it. I finished the challenge. I will type something in on WhatsApp, and that's it. I'm done. Thank you. Brilliant.